How to keep your photos safe in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Now you can see here library, click on it. This type of screen appear. Now you can see here at the top that there is an option of utilities. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the utilities option. Now scroll this bar and at the bottom you can see here locked folder. Use your pin or fingerprint. In this way you can keep your photos safe by clicking on it and clicking on plus icon. Now move in this way your photos will be saved in your Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.